Here's the stairs going down to the basement. Got a door on there. And basement's unfinished. Carpeted stairs. This is our 900 square foot basement. Not quite done. So, this would be, I believe, another bedroom and bath in here. And it's storage underneath the stairs. And this is the area for the daycare. And probably more storage would go right there. It's a sliding glass door to our backyard. There's Nick.
Anyway, it's a little bit short.
I'm just picking out where the hot tub's going to go.
Oh, that's good. Hot tub. It's very important. This is more houses are being built right there. It's raining. So we gotta landscape this.
Let's see, this is
It's the deck upstairs.
south.
Back inside.
Downspout.